Hey guys, welcome to another video of me. So, I have a nice little announcement. If you are a fan, an admirer of Rihanna perfume, then maybe you've already heard that she has a perfume named Fenty. And this perfume I have never bought. I don't think I've smelled it. However, today something really interesting occurred. I made a fun little combination of something. You see, I have here the perfume Nude. Just a minute, wait. I'm trying to show this to y'all. Right here. You see this, guys? I have the perfume Nude. This is the perfume Nude by Rihanna. And yes, she has a jacket because from the Aldi, because I live near Aldi and there was a toy that I bought, a stuffed little puppet, and that stuffed puppet came with a sweater, and this perfume is called Nude. So I gave this bottle a sweater, and this is the little dress that she has. This perfume is Nude by Rihanna, okay? Listen to me, guys. Yes, there is a nice little transparent sticker there. I put it on. Okay, so listen to me. Because I think I may have cracked the code today of how to make your own Fenty by Rihanna if you don't want to give extra money to the Fenty perfume, but you already have Nude in your house. Because I think I know the combination. So you can get like different brands, different like products, different like franchisers of each scent. But if you have like the Nude perfume, or maybe you even have the Nude body mist by Rihanna, then I know with what you can combine it to get Fenty. Because I believe that that's what Fenty smells like, because that's what I think and believe. So I'm about to reveal the combination to you. Because I really, really think this is spot on, because I'm usually right about these things. So this is Nude. So I'm gonna demonstrate what you must do. Alright? This is Nude. Let me show you guys, okay? So this is Nude. Okay. I'm gonna apply Nude to my left arm. I have to be careful with this bottle. I don't always know how to hold perfume bottles. I'm so clumsy. So I applied some of this on my left arm. Nude by Rihanna. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Guess Love Sun-Kissed Flirtation Body Mist. That's Love Guess. Guess Love Sun-Kissed Flirtation Body Mist. It's nice, it's beachy, it's warm, it's sunny, it's soft. I don't know what the ingredients are, but you can look it up on maybe on Fragrantica. You can just Google it. Love Gas, Sun-Kissed Flirtation. Just Google it, Google the ingredients. Look at the ingredients and see if you have something in your house that has the same ingredients, because I think this is what Fenty is. Okay, so you take this, apply it. That's the second layer. I'm applying this on my left arm. Not too much, just a little bit, okay? Just look at the ingredients, Google this, get this. Okay. Better yet, get this. Love Gas Sun-Kissed Flirtation. And then there's another layer, the next thing, and this is equally important. This is Cookies perfume. This is Cookies perfume. It smells like gourmand, warm cookie, nice, aromatic. So I'm going to go like this. Make sure I spritz it right. Now I have everything. I'm just gonna make sure it nice, like it coats within each other. Okay, let me give that a second. This was earlier today, and I smelled it, and I Walked around and I smelled it on myself and it, ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, that's the one. So that's what that is supposed to smell like. And I believe that that is spot on. So try it if you have Nude by Rihanna, the body mist or the perfume. Maybe you have the Guess body spray, and maybe you have a cookie perfume in your house. Just know that this is how to do it, and I believe that this is how to get it without having to spend the extra money on an entirely new bottle of Rihanna perfume. Try this at home. Definitely, definitely. It is so, so good. Woo! You're welcome.